Oh,
It looks so good.
jalapeno. Okay. I eat that. Can you hear that? Crisp. Okay.
Welcome back to WhatAMeal. Today we're gonna make tangy zucchini stir fry.
Okay. So it's a really common like Chinese dishes and really the Chinese family easy to always cook in during summer because it's really simple and all vegetarians and nutrition, but also really suited for the summer. Cook it really quickly, only a few minutes. Could cook it. So let's show the ingredients: 3 zucchini, Chinese onion. And some peppers, garlic, ginger. Also, we need, if you like spicy, you can use Chinese like dry chili. And also, this is important. It tastes really well. This pepper, yeah, we have. Okay. We need this. This is Chinese pepper. Chinese peppercorn you can buy in Asian market. Okay, first step, let's slice the onion, Chinese onion, to cut it in pieces. Not only in the white one, but also we want the leaves. And the garlic, garlic puree. Garlic you can use the knife to do this and cut. It's quicker. And like it can release the aroma is easily released. Okay, right there. And also the ginger. We still have it now. No. Okay. Ginger. Okay, that's it. Now we cut this is what's the pepper? This a Mexico pepper? Not spicy at all.
A little bell pepper. Yeah,
bell pepper, yeah. Sweet pepper, yeah. If you like spicy, you can put any pepper you want. Like this is called what?
Bell pepper.
No. This is.
Oh, those are jalapeños.
Jalapenos, yeah. I like jalapenos a lot.
And then we also have the little Chinese ones.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Okay, we just use. See, that's it. Okay, we cut this and we cut the zucchini. So cut off cut the head.
Head of the zucchini off.
And then to make, okay, this also.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, cut a piece to the hive.
Yeah, this is a special zucchini. I've never tried this one.
Yeah.
Zucchinis I've tried look like cucumbers.
Okay, let's cut to pieces like this way. You can cut one in the raw, like this slice that I will show you. Do not too thin, but not too thick. At least do not too thick. A little bit, like let them thin for.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's like that thin. See, how to say that? Yeah. Okay. Oh, the video should let you add some music.
Oh, yeah.
Add music. Yeah. Oh, I think maybe 3 is too much.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think so.
I think 2 is perfect.
I can see one for another time.
Because already pretty much. We'll see. See, wow.
Yeah.
Maybe one looks pretty good.
Even half of one.
This one. This is another half.
Oh, yeah, that's one. Yeah, I guess we can go for 2, but certainly I don't think we can put in a third one.
So let's see. Maybe I cook all of this. Anyway, just ready to eat. Okay. Oh, I think enough. 2 is enough. My God, another 3. Okay, we change that to
two full zucchinis are
zucchini.
Cut them into pieces at different ends of pieces.
And we need take the really simple. We use the rice vinegar All Chinese black vinegar is okay. Now we'll add the soy sauce, light soy sauce.
Yeah.
And also, I will use. This is why I came to America to use. I think it tastes really good.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Use the balsamic vinegar could make the taste richer.
Yes.
Like the 是什么酸怎么说？
Tangy.
The tangy have different layer, different level, like richer tangy taste. Tangy.
Vinegars are more tangy.
And also this vinegar, balsamic vinegar, Italian balsamic is sweet actually.
Yes.
It's sweet like this is made by rice. Actually, Chinese vinegar have a lot. That's the rice. They make it. This is made by kind of wheat. So this is made by rice. And a lot of different kind of vinegar. Sometimes I only use 3 different kind of vinegar. Okay, today we can make 3 different vinegar. Anyway, if you have one, it's fine. Just use one.
Yeah.
It's not like really necessary. Okay, put the cooking oil. Not that much. This olive oil, avocado oil, yeah. And you can feel it when really simple with the heat. You can feel the heat, and then you put the first step. What we should put?
We should put the garlic and onions.
Yeah, 葱姜蒜. Yeah, it's simple. Yeah, every the first
Maybe
step.
some peppercorns and peppers.
Oh yeah, we should fry the peppercorn. I forgot. They should. This could make the dishes more yummy.
Oh, we had the onions.
Okay, so I got tomorrow. Let me see. Tomorrow.
Here's some onions on it. Yeah, see how much we love balsamic? It's almost finished. We have a new one in there from Costco.
Okay, when you feed the meat thing, put here, put this, right? 花椒.
Yeah, well,
Oh, we
yeah,
have.
it's
Okay,
easier
okay.
that's a new thing I did. So.
Okay.
Pretty.
See, this make the 花椒 like the fried 花椒 make wow so good. You know the taste so good,
I
and
use it so
also
much, so I put it in a little bowl like for salt and sugar.
and also I like the chili spicy, so I put the dry chili pepper.
And this we've had for a long time. The chilies last a long time.
Okay, this spicy one, really spicy one, will be super spicy. So you want super spicy? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think we can deal with some spice. I think it would be nice.
I think Chinese food, the missing is like cook the time, like when it's almost ready. We already tell from the color. See, when you see
It's browning.
it's browning and tend to a little bit yellow, and you you feel the aroma.
You smell the aroma. Coming out.
Yeah, oh my god. Not too much voice. Okay, we can put the 葱姜蒜 and fry it. Really quick dishes. You know, because to call what name?
Zucchini.
Suzuki, they have a lot of water. Zucchini have a lot of water. We use the high temperature stir fry because we want it's easy to lose water, so we use like really short time to cook them ready to let them keep like slightly crisp, and it will taste good. Okay, see that we can see the onion a little bit brown. See the onion, Chinese onion, a little bit brown, a little bit yellow. That's right. It's not overcooked. It's perfect. I like the taste. a little bit brown, you know, a little bit brown. A little bit they call what? The grill. A little bit grill too. Good. So we can put the dishes. Zucchini. And then do not use that way.
I'm trying to understand how to cook this.
Oh, a little bit too much. Wow, 有点多. You cannot like it.
You just have to stir it a little bit.
Yeah, I think there's on the low. Okay, put the vinegar.
Ooh.
Soy sauce. Vinegar. Another.
3 types of vinegar.
Balsamic. Okay, balsamic is the last one we put on. And just Spanish. Also needs sugar. A little bit. A little bit star. Star.
I'm going to use any cilantro.
That's all we can finish.
Okay.
And also we need the this one.
Yeah, this is all sugar.
No sugar. This one. This is I don't know, Japanese seasoning. Yeah, from rice bowl. Okay, that's DNA. So they're like 1 or 2 minutes. Deep fry. Because zucchini, right? Zucchini. I mean, 2 zucchini are a little bit much. I mean, 1.5, I think.
Oh, I think eat all that.
Okay. Okay, can put. Okay, that's it.
Because we're not 2 anymore, we're 3.
Yeah, 3. Oh yeah. Good one.
More of it. It's so spicy.
Yeah, spicy one. Oh yeah, almost ready. Okay, put the last step, put the pepper in there. Because the pepper you want to eat freshly. Just cook maybe 30 seconds is enough. Okay, the last, just let me taste a little bit, in case not ready. Need more vinegar.
The balsamic.
Sesame. This one?
Big one. I can.
Oh, like this? How do you do?
Yeah.
It's like kind of thick, but sunny. It's like oil.
Yeah. Wow. Fancy one. Okay.
Okay, put some Tangy Zucchini.
Nice one.
Okay, you after it's ready, if you not taste that 酸怎么说?
Tangy.
If not tangy, you can add more fresh vinegar, and actually the vinegar more fresh. Different after cooking a while, it's different layer. And the last step what?
Last step is sesame oil.
Sesame oil. Hoo-hoo. The taste will come. Go. Are you ready? Ah, you will like it. Maybe not salty. Let me try. Oh, tastes so good. Smells so good, I remember. Good.放一点点盐。
醋溜白菜。
特别香。It's like 绿白菜。
We need to add more sesame oil.
Wow.
Butter.
Oh, you will like it.
I'm sure I will, but not.
Our dish is ready. See, apply. Ooh. Ready. Only two What's the name?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. 2 zucchini could make the big dishes. See?
Wow.
Big dishes. You can try that. Oh, my. It's okay. Now. Let's try.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh,
Looks so good.
jalapeno. I already dip the liquid together well. Well. Okay.
It's really good, girl.
Okay.
It's a nice vinegary taste.
And like crisp. You can tell. I eat that. Can you hear that? Crisp. Crisp.
It's pretty crispy and crunchy.
Crunchy. That's
Oh,
well.
so good.
Wow.
Good job, Gaga.
It's for summer dishes. It's actually summer dishes. And if you are vegetarian, it's also good for you. And so yummy. And actually, it's really suitable with bread and rice.
Yeah.
Very yummy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good
It's
job.
the dishes. See you tomorrow. WhatAMeal.